I have women are Igbo. Mama told she would make a shine on your tiki. You are tiki, whatever you are. We don't do paragon. So, join your Ishonye wonye ehuranya ipubi gaya gebi bika omenali Igbo eje na ngoma beke o kwanu tukanji chiwa ebege ya ahuna mdigi okoro bi oma erururi kwanu agi asoro nyomare mmadụ mma. Anyị na-agọzi n'ụbọchị taa. Ọ ga-arịrịnụ mma n'Eke, rịrịnụ mma n'Orie, rịrịnụ mma n'Afọ, rịrịnụ mma na Nkwọ. Onye ọla niile na-anya ọjọọ anya ahụkwa ụka ya. Otu afọ, otu nwa, anụghị emume uche, ọnụ ga-esu ụmụ, zụọ ụmụ ụmụ na-azụ ọnụ. M na-eri ihe gbara nwa. Nwanụ, ụmụ kedu. Unu ga na-eche eche na-aba aba. Akpa ọgwụ a ga-ekpọ n'ụzọ. Onye ọla ahụ unu ebe akwa anya mmiri akwa ga-ekọ ya anya. Ọhụrụ na anaghịrịghịrị isi gị kụrụ ya aja, ịkụrụ ya ala, ịkparịrị ya aja. Anyị agọziela n'ụbọchị taa. Agọzi ahụ ndị ngozi Chineke nyere ụmụ ya na nna anyị hụ. Nye anyị megbugbu, nna anyị hụ nọ nga. Ngozi ahụ eruola n'aka. Ọganihu, udo, ọṅụ, ga-awụ nkenu n'aha nke Nna na nke Ọkpara na nke Mmụọ Nsọ. Amen.
Prof, this is the mic. Sit down, sir.
Woman life, good, 50, 60 years, take
Please the couple should come directly to the king. So these are the lyrics here, okay? Yeah. Okay, your hand should be on top of that of your life. Okay, these are what we're going to do it now. Alright? You know, those days, other times, we do it like this. Other times we do it like this, they will tell you discuss how many children want to give birth to before we call the king. But I don't know if you should discuss which country you want to give birth to your children. If I call the name of the country, you call the king. Which country do you want to give birth to your children? If I call the name of the country, you call the king. Should I start? Okay, by the grace of God, you people will give birth to your children in Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger Republic, Ghana, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Okay, let's go to Asian countries. China, Japan. You know what? India. So this program. All right, let's go down to South America, Brazil, Argentina, Ecuador. You know what? All right, let's go to Middle East. Israel is a holy country. You know what? Israel, Dubai. You know what? Dubai, Oman, Qatar. You know what? Qatar. All right, let's go to Europe, Spain. Think about it. They have the best wine. Italy. Think about Italy. All right, let's move to England. London. You don't like London? London bring this money down. All right, let's move to the UK. You know what, UK? All right, let's move to the United States of America, USA. Thank you. You should hold him on his shoulders. While Obioma, you have finished paying the bride price, so hold her on her waist. All of you should come close to each other. Come close to each other. Think about when you people were fantasizing about the name you give to your first child, if it's a boy or a girl. Think about where you guys met. Think about the first time he took you to his mom, and think about when you took Obioma to your mom also. Think about the first time Obioma came to your place. Think about where you got angry and he said he will beg one of your friends to please talk to you for him. Think about the first time he took you out to eat. Think about the first time he did transfer for you. Think about the time he texted you and said, which bank are you using? Think about how you smiled when you had sent your account number. While thinking about that, look at his eyes. And behold, the handsome man you got married to. And behold, the beautiful wife you got married to. Think about how beautiful and handsome your children will be. With that saying, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the first dance.
My mind is on, my heart beats on. Every time that I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for this. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When the one said I can't have, I'm on the road I came from. And when there ain't any mood, come on, you know I still come through. Give me love, baby. Whatever I didn't fix for you. My mind is I call my money and all my shit.
Please come to this side. Thank you. You people have done a lot. To the both of you, we get to seat. Then there will be a dance face-off between the groomsmen and the bridal train. Are you ready? So, please, Vanessa, kindly take your seat. Obi, kindly take your seat. Yes, hold that. So right now, we have the team of the bride and team of the groom. So right now, let's go. Team top, let's go. Team top, let's go. Let's go. Now start discussing.